liquor good, quite frankly.
My name is Nthabeseng and I am the store manager at Goldwagen Wynberg. I love my job most importantly because it's actually gotten to show me that I can be a good leader. It's taught me a lot of things about cars. I've learned a lot of things in this industry, things that I did not think at a point in my life that I'd get to learn. This has become a little family. We spend 10 hours of a day together. So we've built our own family. We've learned to work together. We've learned to be more understanding and show more empathy towards each other. Everybody's always ready to give you assistance, give you clarity on anything that you don't understand. That's it from us. You're welcome to come visit us here at Goldwagen Wynberg. That was my family, and we're all about community, people, and friends.